Hi there. Just a very quick one. It's about the of counsel role, specifically in South Africa. It's a question that I've been asked a number of times about where does it sit within a law firm? What does it mean? Is it something that should be considered by a senior lawyer? And I actually got asked that question last night. So I thought it would be best to do a little video on it and really speak from the truth from what I've seen over 20 years in legal recruitment. We have uh, more and more firms looking at the of counsel, special counsel, depends on what they want to call it, type role, which typically sits underneath the salaried partner role. Um, it is meant to appease senior lawyers who the firm will typically feel doesn't have enough of a client base or a book of business, or transferable book of business, as we call it, to bring over to the firm. So it's meant to appease both sides. Um, I worry about it as a role if you are a senior lawyer and you are really on the hunt for a salaried partner role. Um, but it is really a commercial decision. The firm in question may say to you, we can't really justify this internally. We've got a lot of people who need to be promoted to that position before you. They may say that we demand X numbers of millions in client book for you to take a position of salary partner. They may say, look, there's a path for you for a year, and if you hit certain targets, then you will be promoted. My concern is just be very, very sure about this. I think it is a way of getting people in and getting them churning out revenue with a promise and dangle the carrot of potential partnership very quickly. But from my experience, this doesn't always materialize. It's certainly not a given. What I would want to know before taking on an of counsel role, specifically if I was looking initially for a partner role, is very clear reasons and honest reasons of why I can't go into the partnership role. Very clear reasons in terms of what I need to do to achieve that, and whether it's really sustainable within the not sustainable, whether it's really achievable within the first year. Um, I'd like to look for examples of people who've done it before, who've come in from outside and then made that partnership leap within a year, and I would like to talk to them. Um, but I would but I would be very, very wary of any suggestions that it might come to you, and as in the promotion to partnership might come within 2 to 3 years, because really they need to make sure that you are a regular fee earner, that the clients are embedded, that you've proven yourself internally. So really, like I say, just take what you're told with a pinch of salt. Look for examples before jumping into an of counsel role, and just be a little bit wary of what you may be facing.